Hello and welcome everybody. In this video I would like to review a hearing device. So I received this package for testing, so it looked like this. The box pretty small, I would say. I'm not sure really what this one is. Probably the color. So I just removed the plastic box on this. Let's take it off the cover. So it comes with a user manual. It's written in German. Let's see if there's any other language. So it's just in German, the user manual. It basically explains different parts of the hearing device. So it seems like it has a couple of different buttons in here. It comes with two parts. It has different heads for the ears, charging cable, a brush for cleaning, and information about the usage, basically this one. So, as it's written, so this comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable, two brushes, and different ear plugs. This is pretty much how it looks like itself. Let me take it out. So this is the device. Oh, this is a charging case as well itself. This is how the hearing device look like, and I assume this is how it can be charged as well. Yeah, that's correct. So they are the charging plugs, so basically they can be connected and charged. Looking at them individually, so there is a button for on and off. When you turn it on, it makes a beep. I'll do it again. There's another button, and I assume this is the sound level. So let me try it on my ear and see how this looks like. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So very interesting. It's pretty much like a speaker. So basically when there is a sound coming in here, so just like a speaker is basically increasing the volume. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that's what you can hear as well. Pretty light, I would say. Very light, very small, and when you put it over the ear, it's not really visible. Similar thing for the other side. So they can be managed differently. So there's another button here as well, I believe. Or this is just a brand probably. Very sleek design, very minimalistic. Yeah, that was a very quick video. Hope you liked it. And if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.